Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I'm going to be showing you how I like to make my chicken mayonnaise sandwich. Now this recipe is so easy to make, it's delicious, and you only need a few pantry staples. But before we go on, if you're new here, welcome. Please don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and also give the video a thumbs up before you leave. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this recipe. You'll also find the complete list in the description box down below so you can check that out. First off, I have here 1 canned chicken breast. You can always use any kind of chicken you have available. All you have to do is to cook it and shred it, or you can cut it into smaller pieces. Then I have some diced green and red bell peppers. So if you don't like bell peppers, you can substitute this for freshly diced tomatoes. Then I have some chopped onions. I also have some peppered cheese. Now this recipe works well with any kind of cheese you may have available. I'm also going to be using some mayonnaise. I also have here 2 thick slices of whole wheat bread. Now thick slices are actually best for this recipe. And for my spices, I'll be using some dried cilantro leaves, some paprika powder, some black pepper, and lastly some salt. I'm going to start by opening my canned chicken, and remember, you don't have to restrict yourself to using canned chicken. You can use boiled or roasted chicken. All you have to do is to shred it or cut it into smaller pieces. Next, I'm going to be draining the liquid. Make sure to drain the liquid properly so you don't end up with a soggy sandwich. Then using a spatula, I'm going to lightly press this down. Then once I'm done draining the liquid, I'll use a spoon to lightly break up the chicken into smaller pieces. Next, I'll be adding my chopped onions, some green and red bell peppers, some peppered cheese. Then using a spoon, I'm going to mix everything together. And once this is properly mixed, I'm going to be adding my spices. Now please give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already, as this really helps my channel. And for my spices, I'll start by adding some black pepper, some paprika powder, some dried cilantro leaves, and some salt. Then I'll also mix everything to combine, and then we're going to be adding the final ingredients to this mixture. Now once this is all mixed up, I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now you can use whatever mayonnaise that you have available. It doesn't have to be a specific brand. You can also add some ketchup if you like, or some hot sauce. It's really about whatever you like. Now that our mixture is ready, I'll go ahead to toast our bread. I'll start by spreading some butter on the 2 sides of my bread. Now I'm using 2 thick slices of whole wheat bread. You can also use white bread if that's what you have available. I always prefer to use thick slices for this recipe because we're going to be loading up on our chicken mayo on each of these slices. Next, in a pan, I'm going to be toasting both sides of my bread. I like to do this so that my sandwiches don't get soggy, even if I'm not ready to eat them immediately. Now that my bread slices are ready, I'm going to take them out of the pan, and I'm going to be loading up on my chicken mayo. I'm going to spread the mixture generously on my bread slices. I'm going to spread it to all the corners of my bread. Now this recipe is a quick breakfast that the whole family will definitely enjoy, and you'll also enjoy making it. And the great thing is that you can always customize it to your taste. Now look at that mixture. It looks so creamy and flavorful. You can also make this recipe for your visitors and they will definitely enjoy it. Now that my sandwiches are ready, I'm going to be placing them in a pan and I'm going to bake them uncovered at 350 degrees for about 8 minutes or until the cheese has completely melted. Now you can always cover your bread. It all depends on what you like. Now look at that. They look so delicious and it takes just a few minutes to put together. I love how creamy and colorful they look. So that's how I make my chicken mayo using canned chicken, and I hope you try it out and enjoy. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and also give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.